How to prevent scam. 1. Keep your private information private. One of the simplest methods to avoid scammers is to protect your personal information because some of the most popular scams try to obtain that information. Keep crucial documents, account numbers, and passwords in a secure location. Keep this information off the public record and off your phone. Additionally, avoid leaving your mail in a location where fraudsters could access it. If at all possible, avoid using a mailbox and have your mail delivered straight to your home. Take your mail out as soon as you can if you have a mailbox. Never voluntarily divulge your personal information to a solicitation if you receive one. Add more effort. 2. Search the internet. Follow up and do some research on the business or person asking for the information when you receive mailers asking for money or information. Never take a solicitation at face value. Try the following steps, which should prevent scams. Enter the name of the business or the product in a search engine. Use phrases like review, complaint, or scam. Use words and phrases that best describe your situation when searching. If you received a call purporting to be from the IRS, for instance, look up IRS call asking for Social Security number. The phone number that was used to call you, then look it up. Some of the top results from typing the number into a search engine online typically inform you whether that. 3. Use real phone numbers to ring people back. Scammers can easily alter caller IDs and phone numbers in the modern world. As a result, you should never rely on the name and phone number that appear on your phone. Ask the person who calls you for your name and the name of the business they work for so you can return the call. Look out that company's details online once you hang up the phone, and only call back verified numbers that you find on reliable websites. 5. Consider, for instance, that you receive a call from someone identifying themselves as from the IRS and asking for certain private information. Hang up the phone and don't give it to them right away. Visit the IRS's official webpage online. 4. Avoid making any upfront payments. Many con artists will ask for money and promise to send you more in return. Typically, con artists will claim that you have won a prize but must first pay taxes or other fees in order to claim it. Additionally, they might demand payment upfront in exchange for a job, debt relief, or loan support. Never, however, should you make an upfront payment. Before providing anything to anyone, make sure these programs and solicitations are legitimate. Typically, if you give these people money, you won't get the service or item you were promised. 5. Consider the requested payment method. To avoid being caught, scammers will ask for money from certain sources. The majority of con artists will ask for cash, wire transfers, like Western Union, or prepaid credit cards, like Vanilla. These payment methods are challenging to reverse and hard to track. No trustworthy business will demand payment through these channels. The majority of trustworthy businesses will request payment by personal checks and credit cards. These payment methods enable you to cancel charges and withhold funds while also providing built-in fraud prevention. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.